Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Natural Raw Essence. I'm coming today to do an unboxing. If you're not familiar with my channel, I do natural hair. That's my focus. I do focus on updos. I do health and wellness, skincare, and beauty. So today I'm going to be featuring a MAC unboxing. Now MAC is something I've been using forever. I've been using that since the late 90s. I love MAC because it's one foundation that really has matched my skin. I do have a birthmark, and it's always been hard to cover, but MAC was the first brand that I found that was able to cover a birthmark. So I want to show you the makeup that I normally use. This is full coverage. And this was my miracle worker as far as doing my makeup. And I ventured onto using the Studio Sculpt, but I noticed when I use this, it's mostly for, I would say, for the winter time, because it does produce oil on my skin in the summer. So I'm trying a new foundation, and I'm gonna get the box. So this is the box. I am excited because I finally got my chestnut. Well, I'm not going to even say. I'm going to open the box so you can see what I got. So let me get. It always feels like Christmas when I get a package in the mail. I want to do it on camera so you can actually see me opening the box. It's kind of off angle. Okay. So the packaging comes like this with the invoice on top. Tons of stuff, wrapping paper. Okay, so I'm going to go one by one with each product. I got the C6 Studio Fix. So they have new packaging, because I haven't seen this packaging. Normally it's just in a black box, but they put the color. I'm a C6, and I have a Studio Fix here. So this one is I still have a ways to go, but I figured I would just go ahead and order, because I like to keep it stocked up so I don't run out. So this is the C6 Studio Foundation, and that's a powder foundation. You can wear that by itself, but I normally layer it with my full coverage. It just gives me a better coverage on my skin. Now this is the foundation that I use, that I haven't used. This is the new foundation. This is NC45. So the NC45 is, I believe, is the same NC45 color with the full coverage. And this is the Studio Fix Fluid, so it's the liquid form of the powder. It's a liquid form, and the reason why I got the liquid form, in the summer they said that this foundation, okay, it's a broad spectrum, it's SPF 15, and because I was using this in the summertime and I noticed it was making my face really oily, this is a matte foundation, so I wanted to switch over to this for the rest of the summer, because since it's matte, I'm hoping that it won't be so oily on my skin and that it will absorb the oil. So I'm hoping that this will work. I'm going to try this out. And the next thing is the strobe cream. I'm excited to use this. I got this one is gold. It has sparkles of gold. Now they gave me, the last time I ordered, they gave me a sample of the strobe cream, but this one is just the plain regular white. And I did love it. It's like a moisturizer, but it's also like primes your skin prior to putting on your foundation. I noticed when you put it on, it really holds and locks the foundation in. So I wanted to try this strobe cream. And I'll probably just open it so you can see. It's a lot smaller than what I thought it was. I thought it was going to be a bigger tube than that, but it's 17 fluid ounces. Okay, so the next one is Studio Prime, Prep and Prime Fix. This is a spritz. It actually sets your foundation after you've completely done all your makeup, minus the mascara. You do not want to spritz this after you have put mascara on, because you're just going to have a bloody mess on your face. So you want to make sure that you spritz this after you have all your foundation on, your blush and everything minus your eyeliner and your mascara. And then I just spritz this to set my foundation, my makeup. And it does last all day, and it does actually help with the oil, so your skin doesn't get too greasy looking at the end of the day. So, and it's refreshing. I love spritzing it. And I had another bottle of this. This is my second time trying this. That one's almost finished, so I liked it. I do want to try this other brand, Morphe, because I noticed that when I spray with this, it spritz out like not as like a light mist. It spritz out really fast, so you have to really hold it back so your face doesn't get wet, because you don't want your face to get extremely wet when you're spritzing. You want it to just lightly coat your face. And the last two things I got was my chestnut lip liner. I've been talking about this forever on my channel. I finally went ahead and got one. This is my favorite lip liner. I pretty much don't use any other lip liner besides the chestnut color. I don't feel like there's a need to use any other color. It's just, I like the umber when you actually line your lips with any lip color. It just makes it pop. There's one by Minted Cosmetics that I may try, but I don't know. I'm just sticking with my chestnut MAC. And my last, this was a free gift. This is a free lipstick. Now, I'm really kind of easing away from using any of MAC lipsticks. In my last video, I told you that I was having trouble with dryness on my lips, and it was actually irritating my lips. It's drying it out so bad that it's itching, and it actually makes it, it gives it discoloration. But since they gave this to me free, hey, can't complain. This here is Icon. This was one of my first lipstick colors from MAC way back in the day. Way back in the day. When I first started using MAC. So, and it's a beautiful color. It's a neutral. I was surprised when this was one of the choices, because I have always thought about getting Icon. It feels a little different, but that's the color. It is gorgeous on. It's gorgeous on when you put that chestnut lip liner. It is a gorgeous color. I love it. Love it. It's the perfect neutral. Perfect neutral. And it's like a little bit of a matte shimmer to it. A matte shimmer. It says Frost lipstick, but yeah, it's, you'll see this when I do my videos. You will see this on me. But just wanted to pop one real quick. That's the end of the box, and that's the end of the video. So hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos. I am going to be doing some more hair tutorials and some product reviews. And I forgot, I have to do a review on my makeup brush that I got from Sally's. So that's down the pipe. So we will chat a little later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing your time with me, whether you're watching daytime, evening, nighttime, afternoon, weekend, weekday. I appreciate you, and I appreciate you just joining me on this channel. And we will chat later, and